Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today we're just doing, we're waiting on a customer's already got the parts for me, so I'm waiting on a special tool for the engine to do the engine timing up. It's called a tensioning tool, so I can't take the chain off until I have those tools. I thought I had them, but not sure where they are. I think I never had them, but I thought I had them. Okay, so I bought those one anyway, so it's coming soon for a 996 3.4 liter. But this is the actual new shock absorber. As you can see, pump stops are all broken in half. And this is the old one. And how's the compression in this one? You press it down. There you go. Still alright, this one here, not as bad, but it's already on its way. So this car will be a different car. So we're doing all 4 shock absorbers. So this is the rear one. So the inside's got to come off like this, so we can actually take the shock absorber from top here. Same as that side there. You can see on that side there, they're still on. So we got to take it off, do it properly. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.